All right, so basically I've downloaded Google Chrome for your PC. I have already installed it, and then we're going to set it up. Again, this is still under my Windows user profile on your laptop, which I will never have to actually use, hopefully. Not even across the internet, that's guaranteed. But anyway, the idea is I'm going to use this video to show you how you would set up your account that I know you already have a Google account on the laptop, this laptop. So what you do is you would go ahead and open up Google Chrome, which is here. Open up all the way, click here, and then click on this icon up here for a user profile. We're going to enable extension. Nope, going to remove that from Chrome. We're not going to be using McAfee. I haven't had a chance to remove it yet. Click that again. Sign into Chrome. Then what you would do is type in your username. I'm going to put in my email address rather. Of course, you can figure out. You've already got an account, so you don't need to create an account. You click next. Okay. In this case, I'm going to stop the video, but you would type in your password, and then you might get something on your cell phone saying, hey, what numbers you see here? See this number? And then this browser will say, hey, what number do you see on your cell phone? That's basically your cell phone and your laptop authenticating each other to each other. That way, the relationship of your account is 100% solid and not a hacker trying to get access to your data. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to put in my own password, and I won't be able to demonstrate the rest of that part, unfortunately. So, again, I'm setting up my account, but this is how you would do it. Put in your password for your account, click the next button, and then see what happens from there.